So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you how to make a document available offline here on Google Docs. So if I were to go ahead here and just type in offline document, let's say I have my masterpiece saved, but you want to access this offline. It's actually pretty straightforward. I want you guys to go to the top left here to where it says file. Bunch of different options here, but what I want you guys to do is to go down to where it says make available offline. Go ahead and select that, and you have to go ahead and download the extension. So make sure that this document is available offline. Install the Google Docs offline Chrome extension on your browser. So go ahead and press install if that's not already done. It'll then go ahead and bring you to this screen right here, where you can go ahead and simply add this to Chrome right here. What this will actually allow you to do is to access your document offline or without internet connection. So in my case, I'm on a private browser, so I can't go ahead and do this, but go ahead and add this to the Chrome right here. And once again, go back to the Documents tab. Once you're back, once again, that's all installed. Go to File, go to Make Available Offline, go ahead and select it, and then you can make your document available offline that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to make a document available offline on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.